Here we are over at lawhub.lsac.org, and you can see we are in the LSAT prep drill sets, which you can locate by clicking on the LSAT prep tab here on the left-hand rail. Click on drill sets, and for this video, we will click on drill set number 9 and new drill set. It will take a moment to load, and you will be dumped into a brand new drill set for logical reasoning set number 9. You can see that the timer just counts up. We'll turn that off because it really doesn't help in the moment to see just how long it's taking you. The interface will record how long each question takes you for reference, though, when you complete your self-review. So let's go ahead and hit go to questions. And we can see the first question here. As always, we're going to select the highlight tool first, and we're going to determine what the question task is. Number 1 reads, which one of the following, if true, most helps to explain why the flowering plant explanation of the dinosaurs' extinction is weak? So we're going to highlight explain why the flowering plant explanation of the dinosaurs' extinction is weak. So we already kind of know what the conclusion is, that apparently there's this flowering plant explanation of the dinosaurs' extinction, and we want to show that that explanation is weak. So we'll read on the left-hand side, and after having read the full paragraph, we will highlight the conclusion that we need to explain as weak. So, dinosaurs inhabited nearly every part of the Earth for approximately 150 million years, enough time for hundreds of different kinds of dinosaurs to evolve and adapt to different habitats. They vanished 65 million years ago during a mass extinction that marked the end of many species of plants and animals on land and sea. It is surprising then that some scientists attribute the dinosaurs' extinction to the emergence of flowering plants, claiming that the herbivorous dinosaurs starved to death because they were unable to digest such plants. So we'll just highlight this surprisingly weak extinction explanation. So we need to show why the flowering plant emergence theory is just not good. So we're basically just looking to weaken. It's a variation on a weakened task, and you just have to simplify things sometimes as you're working through somewhat unique logical reasoning task structure. So choice A. Thank you for watching this LSAT explanation video of an official practice problem over at lawhub.lsac.org. If you're enjoying the explanation, please consider becoming a MyGuru member to get early and exclusive access to additional explanation problems to help you on your LSAT journey. You can also like the video and subscribe to become notified when additional practice explanation videos are produced by MyGuru. But for now, let's get back to this explanation. Flowering plants began emerging throughout the world at about the same time. Well, if they began emerging throughout the world about the same time, then maybe they caused a mass extinction at the same time. So them emerging actually would kind of strengthen this extinction explanation, so we can eliminate A as a task reversal. Then choice B, whatever caused the dinosaurs' disappearance probably could not have caused the disappearance of other plants and animals during the mass extinction. Again, if it's the flowering plants and other things survived, maybe that worked out. But again, there was also this end of many plants and animal species. We just need a whole lot of additional information in order to apply this to other plants and animals, and it certainly doesn't address the weakness of this explanation for the dinosaurs' extinction specifically. So a couple of reasons we can eliminate choice B. Then choice C, flowering plants emerged gradually, so dinosaurs likely would have evolved and adapted given their ability to adapt. Okay, so if the dinosaurs would have evolved and adapted, well, then the flowering plants would have been benign to them. So C should kind of jump out. We'll select it proactively at this point. But for the purposes of this video, we'll certainly go through the remaining answer choices, highlighting reasons to eliminate. Choice D, flowering plants were able to survive the mass extinction, but the dinosaurs were not. Again, I mean, if anything, this kind of strengthens it. It certainly isn't a weakness with the flowering plant explanation, so we can eliminate D as either a task reversal or needing additional information. And then choice E, the emergence of flowering plants cannot explain the disappearance of sea life during the mass extinction. Well, we talked about animals on land and sea, but we didn't really discuss whether that was the dinosaurs. So we would need additional information to relate this idea of sea life to whether this flowering plant explanation is or is not weak. So here you can see, again, slight variation on some of the more common weakened structures, but that's all we're being asked to do. And you probably, when you were taking this practice drill set, were able to come to the correct answer of C a little while ago.